What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Let's go. We're out here with another banger. Since the new year started, there's been back-to-back car meets, guys. This is the third one that I've been attending to bring you guys some fire-ass content. God damn! Task Force is here, guys. Sheesh! They ain't playing today. God damn! I never seen these many cops in my damn life. And this is highway patrol, guys. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are gonna get blocked in. Hey, park smart. Yo, aquí, wey, I'm putting gas. Same yesterday. 4 people. That's why I never take the 710, guys. Look, there's always traffic and always an accident. As you can see, the car's a total lot. So we made it to the first spot, and as you can see, we already have Chopper. We already got the cops here, and more cops are coming in right now, so we're about to head out. In the pit. Hey, just crash. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. There you go. There you go. Okay, I like that. They crashed, they kept it going. We got the Chopper, we're out. Sheesh, está calientito la cosa aquí. Es la verga. Okay, Exposition Park, let's get it. Sheesh, get chula. Downtown LA, baby. We meet again. My girl just threw a bag full of piss. No, I didn't. If you guys watch YouTube, you know what these tunnels are about. Everybody was passing through these damn tunnels. And the cars sound like... Oh my god, if you're drunk, which I'm not, but I'm not sober, this is very dangerous. Holy shit. Hold on. I got it. Watch out. You're
gonna get over there?
Woo! We got the infamous bridge right here one more time. I'm starting to really like this spot. Today I actually came early, so I'm gonna be able to record some good shit for you guys. I'm starting to really like this spot. It feels like kind of like low-key underground. I love it. Calientito y lo vamos. Sheesh. That's how you enter, guys. Mustang with a ski mask. Oh! I like that, you're hanging out from the back. If I trust this Mustang. Oh! Mustang almost tracks right now. People want the Mustang to get out. Let's see if the Mustang's gonna listen. Careful, careful. You almost ran over the nun. Hey, you got that all ass right there. His whole ass was out. This guy zoomed into it. I like that. Hey, what's up, man? What's up? Dale, what's up? 1 or 2 units right now, but we're on our way to the next location, guys. This spot, probably best spot of the night for me right now. Sheesh. Beautiful downtown LA. Okay. We're in the heart of downtown right now. That was a beautiful dip.
Don't you dare.
If you guys know this spot, like you can see, every car person knows this spot. As you can see, there's already a Z taking pictures right here. This is an infamous spot right here in downtown LA. If you know, you know. Now you know. The takeovers are in town, guys. Downtown LA. Sheesh. Oh, we made it to my favorite Camaro. The one that does the rollback. In the middle. God bless the nun. We got the nun that got tired of being at church, and she decided to come to the takeovers. fingers, as a matter of fact. She's already on wire. There you go. Tires are done. Tires are done. We got the beautiful bridge in the background, as you can see right there, guys. That's the bridge del Sexo right there. We got a Mustang coming in. With the balloons, I like that, I like that. Beautiful, beautiful. Me gustó, me gustó. That Mustang though, I like that, I like that. With the same. We got the guy chilling, just texting right now. Trying to get the next location real quick. Woo! We got the middle, man. Jeez. You see how the nun didn't move? She believes in Jesus a lot. Jesus has control of her.
Shut the fuck up.
If you need to get away from an abusive relationship, just hit the Greyhound right here real quick. You already know it's gonna be lit. Check it. Sheesh. We got the Centenarios on deck. Right now. The party just started, but it was crazy right now. Tequila. Chug, chug.
Tenía como 10, 12 años que no venía por acá. Saludazos, es un placer tenerlos por aquí otra vez de nuevo. Compadre,
claro que sí, por ahí mi gente de Ojo de Agua, despierten, hombre. Andan muy tristes. Hola, ¿qué pasó, amigo? Venga, se echar bailongo. Venga, se echar un shot que este compa nos quiere. Miren nomás. Miren nomás, de por sí el niño es chillón y todavía.
Estamos de vacaciones aquí todos.
De por sí ni nos gusta hacernos el rogaje.
Te voy a echar, para ratito, papi, te voy a echar.
Carajo, saludos, ahí compa Roña, estamos por ahí. Por acá todos los amigos que se encuentran aquí presentes, compadre. Los amigos que vienen de acá de Corregidora.
Prendemos por los de la boda, o en qué estábamos, ya ni me acuerdo.
Hola, la dueña de la casa.
Ah, por la dueña de la casa. Sale pues.
Cheers. Vamos. Está tocando aquí el grupo y mira cómo baila ella. Dale gas, dale gas. Así se baila, así se baila. Ahí viene, no, tú dale. Ahí viene Ismael y nos listo para tocar. Ya tú sabes, aquí andamos en Querétaro, México. ¡Sí, dale!
Pues ahora sí. Y no pinta ni a verte.
cuánto, dime cuánto. Ahí, vámonos para el fondo, güey.
Aquí, compadre.
A ver, hasta arriba, hasta arriba. Nada de esa panochada, vámonos, vámonos. Tómatela toda de un trago. ¡Sí! No, está cabrón, güey. Ahorita se lo va a tomar todo de un tiro, cabrones. Dime cuánto, dime cuánto.
Claro que sí.
¿Y ya me tomé 3?
Vamos con otro.
No, yo soy rápido, güey. No, dale, vámonos. ¡Salud! ¡Salud!
Hemos invitado aquí con
¡A huevo!
3, salud.
Ayer la vi por la calle.
Burgos.
Go. Eso.
Someday